Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your lock screen or wallpaper of your iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first, you want to choose or search for your wallpaper, any wallpaper that you want. So for my wallpaper, I'm just gonna go to Safari and search for wallpaper for iPhone. So you can choose whatever wallpaper that you want. So for example, I want this one, so I'm just gonna long press it and then choose add to photos. Then after that, you want to go to your photos and then click on the wallpaper that you saved earlier, and then click on this button on the lower left side of your screen. Then scroll down until you see use as wallpaper. So you just want to click on that, and then here, so you can edit or adjust the size of it, and then click set. So you can either choose set lock screen or home screen. So for example, I'm just gonna click set lock screen, so you just need to wait, and then as you can see, my lock screen is changed. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.